valet said, let's make it dramatic today. As I was driving in, I can already feel like something was off. And the minute I opened the salon door, the vibe turned out to be chaotic. What? Oh my God. This is my station. I'm glad I was already moving my stuff over. And then at the last minute, I put my dryer on the next station over and I saved it. Oh God. This is crazy. Look, my station. Oh God, I don't think anybody's sitting in that chair today. I emptied out my drawers and my cabinets yesterday. Wow. Even though the ceiling was down and everything was soaked, I still had a full day ahead of me. Clients showed up, so I showed up. The work doesn't stop, we just adapt and keep it pushing.